we were trying to find the average salary earned. So we have 50 employees, and we know how to find the average. And we know that 30 earned an average of 30,000. So if I was to sum up those 30, and I'm just making up my own notation, and I divided by 30, is that right? Of the 50, 30 earned an average of $30,000. Their average is 30,000. Okay, and then I've got how many? I got 15 earn an average of 40,000. So I had 15 employees and they had 40,000. And then I had another group, 5 earned 60. 5 earned 60. So what I've done in each case, the numerator is the sum of the salaries, and the denominator is however many employees I had. And that gave me the average. Now, for each one of these, if I solve for the sum, that would be the sum of the salaries of those 30, that gives me 900,000. And this guy here in the middle, those 15, that would give me 600,000. I'm multiply both sides by 15. And over here, that's going to give me 300,000. So what I found is these sums of salaries. If you add the 30 plus the 5, I'm sorry, that's 15. 30 plus the 15 plus the 5, you get 50. So just sum up all your salaries and divide by 50, total number of employees, and that's going to give me the average of all these salaries. And the numerator is 1,800,000 divided by 50. And do your long division on the side of your paper, and you get 36,000. So there's your answer.